So I got some pao bread. I don't know how to say it. Actually, never bought this bread before. Never ate it, but we're gonna take this and make it into a chicken katsu sandwich with some of the leftovers from yesterday. So chicken katsu sandwich is Japanese. It's a Japanese chicken sandwich. They use their milk bread, so you have like a thicker bun or thicker sandwich bread, and it'll be like a crustless bread. This is the hard part, getting this right down the middle. Have it thick on both sides. Alright, so we got 2 pieces of bread. Alright, what I'm gonna do is butter this pan. This bread is you toast the inside, and the outside you leave soft. Then you put the sauce in the middle of it. So let's go do that. Probably both of these won't even fit. Both of them come up the picture here. Alright, so we'll let those both come up. This is gonna take a little bit. So we got the bread toasting. Again, it's getting brown on both, brown on the bottom. Depending on your pan, you might have to move your bread around just to get evenly heated. My center usually ends up being hotter than my outside, so I just kind of flip these around. We're gonna let them go. Cooking is a lot of waiting, which is the worst part about it. Especially when you got a lot of other things to do, but you can make a quick snack out of it too sometimes. What I'll do is I'm gonna put the salad I made last time and the sauce on top of it. You could do mayo. I don't want to do any mayo. It's already heavy enough. Bread is ready to go. Look at that, it's nice and toasted. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna top it with the salad I made last time, the Japanese inspired salad. I'm gonna put some sauce on it, and I got the chicken heating up in the oven.